Hello friends, welcome to our channel Avisan Fair Fatka. Today we came here in Nashik to see Peruchi Vaadi. It's a famous restaurant in Nashik on Makhmalabad road. They are serving a Nashik famous dish, Misal Pav over here. In Nashik there will be so many restaurants. They will have their own themes and they're also serving Nashik popular dish Misal Pav. So this restaurant is having its own theme. So let us go inside and see these beautiful restaurants. You will find here guava trees mounted beautifully, and you will also see guavas in the seasonal times. Now this is the theme of guava trees. Few restaurants will have theme of grapes. Few will have theme park, amusement park, and these all serves a famous dish, Misal Pav. And every restaurant's got a different taste of this dish, Misal Pav. If you will come on Sunday, you will find a very heavy rush. You will not get a place to sit or stand, and the waiting time will be from 30 to 1 hour, anywhere in between. So if you want to taste the Misal Pav and spend some quality time, then come on weekdays rush will be less and you can spend some free time over here. Now let us go inside this restaurant. You can see the restaurants, there is no crowd at all. The same place will be so much crowded on Sunday. So now we can sit wherever we want. So let us sit and taste a famous Misal Pav. And wow, our Misal Pav is on the table. It looks so awesome and yummy. And they will give gravy also to add into these mixtures. There will be two type of gravies. One will be very spicy and the other will be normal. So you can add as per your taste. So here comes gravy. In the center where you can see it's very spicy. If you like spicy, you can add this gravy, and the other ones are normal gravies. So you can taste this Misal Pav with the sweet. They are also serving sweet here, like a jalebi. So if you want to eat this Misal Pav, then visit Peruchi Vaadi in Makhmalabad or Nashik. So if you liked our small video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for future notification. We will meet in our next episode. Until then, take care, stay safe. Thank you.